Happy New Year, Omnisenders! New shirt, new me. As we step into January, we're kicking off the new year with a burst of energy and a host of exciting updates here at Omnisend. The start of a new year is all about new beginnings and fresh opportunities, and we're here to ensure your Omnisend experience is packed with both. We've got some fantastic updates to walk you through, all made to bring you the value and affordability you've come to expect from Omnisend. So shake off that holiday chill, grab a cup of something warm and delicious, and let's get into it. Reminders. Before we jump into all the new stuff, here's a very important reminder, especially if you're sending emails to Gmail, Yahoo, and AOL users. You almost certainly are. So listen up. Starting February 2024, these major email service providers are implementing new deliverability requirements, and staying ahead of these changes is crucial if you want to keep sending those best-selling email campaigns to your customers. But don't worry, taking the necessary steps to comply is relatively quick and straightforward. To make this transition as smooth as possible, we'll be reaching out to those of you affected with guidance and reminders, ensuring you have all the support you need. Want more details on what these changes entail and how to prepare? That rhymed. We've got you covered. Check out this dedicated video or the blog post on this topic for a deep dive into what you need to do. As always, find the link in the video description. Staying informed and prepared is key, and we're here to help you every step of the way. And now, we've got something else to share. If you're on a standard plan or above, you're going to love this. Get your notepads ready because we're super excited to announce the Marketing Playbook, a new merchant-to-merchant strategy exchange crafted exclusively for Omnisend customers. Starting this January, those of you on our paid plans are in for a treat. Every 2 weeks, a new edition of the Marketing Playbook will land in your inbox, brimming with step-by-step guides, proven strategies used by successful Omnisend merchants, and real-world campaigns ready for you to replicate. This isn't just another newsletter, it's a behind-the-scenes pass to the tactics that are driving success in e-commerce right now. Whether it's mastering email or SMS marketing or discovering new ways to engage customers, the Marketing Playbook is your go-to resource for strategies that truly work. So for those on the standard or pro plans, watch your inbox for your exclusive access details for the Marketing Playbook Hub. And if you're on a free plan but intrigued by what you're hearing, consider this the perfect time to upgrade. Trust me, it's an opportunity you don't want to miss. Email Builder. So let's kick off the new year with a couple of cool new updates to our email builder. First up, we're introducing Dynamic Preview. From now on, you'll be able to see exactly how your emails will look with real customer data before hitting send. With Dynamic Preview, you can add personal touches like names, countries, or addresses to your email and watch them come to life in the preview. It's a fantastic way to make sure that your personalized emails hit the mark every time, without even leaving the email builder. Next, we're thrilled to roll out an exciting enhancement to our campaign booster. You now have the ability to easily edit the content of your boosted emails. When you set up a boosted email campaign, it will automatically copy content from your original email, giving you a great starting point for any tweaks or customization. Here's how it works. Number 1, to review your booster email content, simply click on Preview. This gives you a chance to see the initial content before you dive into editing. Number 2, if you want to make changes, just click on Edit Content. You'll be whisked away to the email builder where you can fine-tune your message to your heart's content. Number 3, once you're happy with the edits, hit Save and Close, and voila! Your booster email is set up to go out with your newly updated content. Want to dive deeper? Watch this dedicated video we've made specifically for the Campaign Booster updates. Find the link in the description. Forms. Moving on to forms, we've got another couple of fantastic updates as well. Firstly, based on the valuable feedback from users like you, we're introducing a much requested feature in our Forms Builder, the ability to close a form by simply clicking outside of it. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in making your forms feel more intuitive and user-friendly. The updated close settings not only let you customize the close button style, but also enable this new convenient option for closing forms. And that's not all. We're also bringing in bulk actions for managing your forms. This is a real-time saver, allowing you to handle multiple forms with ease. No more tedious one-by-one updates. With bulk actions, you can now manage your forms in a few simple clicks, freeing up more time to focus on creating engaging content for your subscribers. Segmentation. Now let's talk about some exciting updates we've made to segmentation, aimed at refining your workflow and improving your targeting. First up, we've revamped the segment creation flow. You might notice that the Create Segment button has disappeared from the contacts list. But don't worry, it's not gone for good. It simply found a new home in the top right corner of the segments list. Now when you click Create Segment, it will take you straight to our pre-built segments library. This move is all about giving you access to a variety of segment options, making it easier to find the perfect fit for your campaign needs. And for those of you who love building segments from scratch, you're still in control. Just click Create from Scratch and you'll be directed to the segment builder where you can tailor your segments exactly how you like. Next up, we have an improvement to the product viewed event in segmentation. It now comes with a more detailed payload structure, allowing for more precise segmentation based on specific products and categories that your customers are interested in. Moreover, the product viewed event will now be integrated into the contact profile timeline, offering a more complete picture of customer interactions. We've also refined the pre-built segment filters, particularly the viewed a certain product filter, to ensure your segmentation is as relevant and accurate as possible. Integrations. And finally, let's dive into some key updates to our integrations. Starting with our updated Wix integration, we're bringing in a suite of powerful features to your fingertips. This revamp includes everything from list growth and streamlined data collection with forms to converting subscribers and recovering lost sales. And that's not all. Welcome automations and targeted campaigns will help you build loyalty and engagement, setting the stage for even more innovative customer reactivation features coming very soon. Moving on from Wix, our new integration with Scratch and Win gives you a fun and interactive way to boost your sales and engagement. This app lets you add customizable scratch cards to your website, ramping up excitement and engagement. Next up, we've got Social Boost. This integration is perfect for running giveaways, contests, and referral campaigns. Whether you want to increase sales, followers, email list, or overall engagement, Social Boost has the tools you need to make your campaigns go viral. Next in line is Gratisfaction, an app that brings a multitude of features aimed at growing your sales, subscriptions, and brand engagement. Whether it's gaining customer insights, boosting referrals, or increasing loyalty, Gratisfaction covers all bases to help you build a strong, more connected customer base. And finally, by integrating Omnisend with WS Form, you can capture a wealth of contact information and funnel it directly into Omnisend. This allows for more personalized messaging and precise segmentation, giving you more power to connect with your customers on a deeper level. And there you have it. As we wrap up this January update, remember that each of these steps is meant to help you create a deeper connections with your customers and drive your business forward. We're here to support you every step of the way, ensuring that your marketing efforts not only meet the mark, but truly shine. So go ahead, dive into these updates, experiment with them, and watch as they open up new possibilities for your brand. And as always, we love hearing from you. Your feedback is what helps us keep improving and growing together. Let us know what you think in the comment section, or share your thoughts with our award-winning 24/7 support team anytime. Catch you in the next one.